Another innocent life is taken in the name of hatred. So hard to take. And if we think that it's all good, then we're mistaken. Cause my heart is breaking. Tell it, DC.
Are you left? Are you right? Pointing fingers, taking sides. When are we gonna realize we all bleed the same? We're more beautiful when we come together. We all bleed the same. So tell me why we're divided. If we're gonna fight, let's fight for each other. If we're gonna shout, let love be the cry. We all bleed the same. So tell me why we're divided. Tell me, who are we to judge someone by the kind of clothes they're wearing or the color of their skin? Are you black? Are you white? Are we all the same inside? Father, open our eyes to see we all bleed the same. We're more beautiful when we come together. We all bleed the same. So tell me why we're divided. If we're gonna fight, let's fight for each other. If we're gonna shout, let love be the cry. We all bleed the same. So tell me why we're divided.
Only love can drive out all the darkness. What are we fighting for? We were made to carry one another. We were made for more. Said
Only love can drive out all the darkness. What are we fighting for? Yeah, we were made to carry one another. We were made for more. We all bleed the same. We're more beautiful when we come together. We all bleed the same. So tell me why we're divided. If we're gonna fight, let's fight for each other. If we're gonna shout, let love be the cry. We all bleed the same. Let's stand united.
So, Father God, I pray that our families will come together right now and seek your face. You will forgive our sins.
Good morning, early birds! What up, world? It's me, your boy Devon D. Yeah, we back, y'all. How y'all doing this morning? Good morning, my early birds. Yes, another great day to be alive. Good morning, y'all. How y'all doing this morning? Remember, God ain't started making no mistakes, so stop waking up like you woke up by one. Wake up with some intention and understand that you got purpose and tremendous value. How y'all doing this morning? I hope all is well. Another great day to be alive. I hope you like that video. That was by Avaha.com, Avaha365.com. Let me get that right. Avaha365.com. Yo, let love lead. Man, let's tag each other with love. Man, what better way to, you know what, to love on each other from, with social distancing and everything else, y'all. How you doing this morning? Keandra Lewis, great morning to you as well. JaVale Lyons, good morning. Yo, how y'all doing this morning? Oh, I see we got a baby in here. Good morning, baby. Okay, go on before I'm gonna come in here in a minute after I'm done with my show, okay, baby? All right, love you. Good morning, y'all. Yeah, we wake the kids up each and every morning, y'all. Good morning, early birds, man. It's time to get up, get out, get something. Yo, man, even the kids gotta, you know what? Get their life together, get their life together. they shine together, and you know what, teach them all the ways that, you know what, we know how to, you know what, get to it, y'all. So you know what, even the kids, y'all, be part of the early bird session. Good morning. I wake them up every morning, dog. They be like, Dad, well, you ain't got to do all that screaming, do you? Yeah, get up. So what's going on, y'all? Great morning to you. Great morning to you all. Thank you guys for being here. Remember, we are on the 21 Days of Challenge with my boy, Lord Rudy Gotti. Yo, 21dayshabit.com. 21 Days of Habit. We breaking bad habits. We building better habits with the author, entrepreneur himself, Lord Rudy Gotti, all the way from Houston, Texas, from Milwaukee, Wisconsin, but reside in Houston, Texas. 21dayshabit.com. Yo, love what we've been going through. Love the past 15 days. Man, it's been awesome. Definitely been bringing some light. Definitely been, you know what, making me even look at some things with different set of glasses. So shout out to my boy, Lord Rudy, and we will be with him very, very shortly. So make sure you stay tuned for that, y'all. Yo, good morning, y'all. How y'all doing this morning? It's lovely to see you. Y'all know what we do each and every morning. We play music. We make sure that we get ourselves together before we go out into this wild, wild world. You know what? We make sure that we got focus and attention, and we make today count. Yeah, we make today count. Yeah, we do everything to make sure that we are being productive and make sure that, you know what, we ain't wasting no more days. We get 24, get the same 24 hours, 6 of them gone, so what we gonna do with the next 18, right? Yo, let's make sure that you look in the mirror, make sure you start your transition and turning your passion and profit, your dreams into reality. Make sure that you know what, dedicate some time just for you and your gift and dreams, and just realizing maybe some things about yourself. Like I say, read the book 21 Days of Habit by Lord Rudy Gotti. Kind of go through it, and you know what, let's think about our habits. Let's think why sometimes we get stuck in some of the same situations or the same scenarios or in the same environments. Let's think about some of those things, and let's figure out, you know what, how to make a change in our life, because you know what, we got to take care of us, ours, and others. So in order to do that, we got to make sure that we are doing the things necessary to elevate our mind, body, and our soul, and so that we have the information, motivation, and determination and everything else to go forward and make sure that we achieve these goals that we have while we on this planet, y'all. Remember, today don't care about yesterday. So it don't matter what you did yesterday, last week, last month, or last year. Today can be the day you say, I'm ready to make the rest of my life the best of my life. But you got to make sure that you are not just asking God to order your footsteps if you ain't willing to move your feet. So yeah, it's time to get up, get out, and let's get something, y'all. You got to make sure that you moving in a direction so that God can bless you. So when he ready to rain it down, you already prepared. Remember, it ain't enough just to get prepared. You have to stay ready. Can't just get prepared. We got to stay ready, y'all. So thank you guys again for logging on. And if you new here from Facebook or YouTube, make sure you leave some comments in the comments section. Yo, we'll put them up over the videos. Give us a great quote. Just say good morning. Yo, just spread some positive energy so we know that you are there and that, you know what, that, you know, this is a community of positive change. Yo, I'm not here to be famous. I'm here to be effective. So, you know, yo, let's make sure that we all chiming in and we adding to this community, y'all. So thank you guys again. Yo, we're going to get into our first video, Successful by my homie Zooty Baby. Yo, I just want to be successful, just like most of us, right? So let me check out this video. We're going to check it out, y'all, and then we'll be back in a minute. Remember, 21 Days of Habit. We on day 16, y'all. Walk and talk. Walk and talk. Yeah, that's what we're going to talk about. Walking like you're talking or walking and you're talking. Listen, Lord Rudy going to come and he going to clear it up and figure out, you know what, he going to put it in all perspective for us. So stay tuned for that, y'all. Let's get into this video and I'll be back with y'all in a minute. The world is watching. Good morning, early birds.
Yeah. They say hard work pays off. So every time I'm in the booth, I give it 110%. Cause when you this far at the bottom, the only way to go is up. Yeah.
All I ever wanted was to say that I made it out the hood. I'm that nigga city baby. All I ever wanted was to take care of my mom, take away the problem, make it out the hood, be the kids' role model. I just wanna be successful. I just wanna be successful. I just wanna be successful. I remember those nights I couldn't sleep right, on an all-night flight to the sunrise. by any means, never satisfied. City baby, I'm the dream like Elijah wine. I know I made it hard for my mama to sleep at night, knowing I wasn't home, living that street life. I was sick and tired, I was down on my ass, I ain't have a dime. Got on my grind, and the money started multiplying. They gave my nigga life, he tryna give back that time, hoping for sunshine, cause I ain't seen too many rainy days. I ain't seen too many niggas throw their life away. I promise I'ma make it, I can't end up like them niggas, no, not city baby. You gotta be patient, it don't happen overnight, it takes some dedication, some motivation. I'm determined, baby. All I ever wanted was to say that I made it out the hood. I'm that nigga city, baby. All I ever wanted was to take care of my mama, take away the problems, make it out the hood, be the kids' role model. I just wanna be successful. I just wanna be successful. I just wanna be successful. When it rains, it pours. It pours when it rains. I'm tryna soar with the eagles while you tryna clip my wings. I strive for success, I'm hoping for change. When Big Bug died, I cried in such tremendous pain. I wish I couldn't change, they threw dirt on my name. I knew I would prevail, look how far I done came. Mama, please don't cry, it gon' be alright. I watched my mama cry for so many nights. Like a star up in the sky, nigga, I'ma shine bright. Swear to never tell a lie, spend my life behind the mic. I'd rather keep it real, so I rap about my life. I remember all them nights we recorded in the studio. Wanna gamble with your life, but let the dice roll. I'ma take my chances with this music, whoa, whoa. I'ma take my chances with this music, whoa, whoa. I'ma take my chances with this music, whoa, whoa.
It's for everybody who chasing a dream, who just wanna be successful. Hard work pays off, believe that.
Be the kids' role model.
I just wanna be all I could be.
I'ma take my chances with it. All I ever wanted was to say that I made it out the hood. I'm that nigga city, baby. All I ever wanted was to take care of my mama, take away the problems, make it out the hood, be the kids' role model. I just wanna be successful. I just wanna be successful. I just wanna be successful.
Yo, that is Zooty Baby with Successful, man. Great video. Make sure you check him out on YouTube. He got great, more great music. So make sure you go support the homie. Excuse me, y'all. Zooty Baby on YouTube, y'all. So make sure y'all check that out. Yo, good morning, good morning, good morning. I see my early birds in the building. My allergies trying to kick up. Excuse me. Bless you. Thank you for all the blessings. Guys, this is my hold on 1 second. Hold on. There we good. So 21 Days of Habit, y'all. Make sure that you go get the book. Remember, we on day 16 right now. My boy Lord Rudy will be coming to us in a second and talk about that. Man, I hope all is well with you guys. And if it's not, y'all remember what we do to change that, right? What we do, y'all? We hit Control, Alt, and Delete. Yeah, Control, Alt, and Delete. Yeah, control your environments. Control the things that you are in and around. Remember, if the environments you're in right now are not conducive to your growth, you need to remove yourself. Get up out of there. Listen, you got to control the only thing on this planet that you can control, and that is you. So let's not place ourselves in environments and in conditions that's not good for us. It's not going to help us grow. And to do that, sometimes you got to change what you're doing. So sometimes you got to hit that Alt key. Choose some different alternatives, especially if the things you're doing right now are not working and getting you there fast enough. You need to choose some different alternatives. I tell you guys each and every day that success is a blueprint, failure is a pattern. And you gotta watch the patterns of your life and make sure that you are following the blueprint towards your success, y'all. And sometimes you gotta hit that delete key. Yeah, delete situations, relationships, and sometimes people. It don't matter who it is, what it is, or how it is. If it, they, that, whatever ain't good for you, get it up out of there. You gotta go. And you know what? That might not be easy sometimes, but sometimes it's just necessary. And just like that old computer, when you hit Control-Alt-Delete, when the computer start acting up and freezing up, yo, you hit Control-Alt-Delete, it gets a refresh, and then it start operating right? So yeah, that's what sometimes we need to do with our life. We need to hit Control-Alt and Delete and make sure that, you know, we get a refresh and reboot on our life so we can begin to operate the way we need to operate. Good morning, Tasha Thomas. I see you in the building. Yo, how y'all doing this morning? I hope all is well with you guys. Yo, remember, this is another great day to be alive. Remember, we just here to be a little fertilizer for your seed, because you are meant to grow, be great, and provide fruit on this planet. Yep, this one. So, you know, let's make sure we getting up each and every day and making sure that we know what we using our full self to be, you know what, to let our full light shine and do all the things that, you know what, we desire and dream to do while we on this planet. Yo, we gotta get to it. You made it this far. You know some people that didn't make it, but God didn't make no mistake. He got you here for a reason. So let's make sure that, you know what, each and every day that you are, you know what, going towards those reasons and understanding that, you know what, your road and your destination and your journey and what that entails. So each and every day, y'all, make sure that you know, put some focus in your life and make sure that you are doing the things necessary in the direction of your growth, happiness, and the things that you want to see while you on this planet, y'all. So, yo, we're going to get into our next video. Then we're going to call up Lord Rudy, man, and get day 16, walk and talk. Yo, if you don't got the book, get the book. Like I say, 21daysofhabit.com. Yo, he got a bunch of cool merch, t-shirts. That Malcolm shirt been flying off the shelf. Plot, plan, strategize, MKE made me, Chicago, whatever you from made. Yo, go check him out, 21daysofhabit.com. And remember, every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, y'all know what we do. We get toned at home with Victory Life Hacks, with Maddie over at Victory Life Hacks. She's our online personal trainer. Yo, she comes to us every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 6 a.m. You know what? We talk about mind, body, and soul. You know, I got the mind, and we got the soul covered, but you know what? Maddie takes care of the body so that we are complete. So mind, Maddie with the body, yo, to make our soul complete, y'all. So make sure that you tune in every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. If you're looking for somebody, an online trainer or any type of trainer that's gonna get you worked out, yo, do not discount what she do, because man, she'll have you hurting in 10 minutes. She'll have your body working and doing everything that it needs to do to grow only in 10 minutes. So yo, everybody got 10 minutes. Make sure you log on with us. Remember, early bird get the worm, early grinders get the money. And you know what, we do more stuff by noon than people do all day. So make sure that you tune in every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday with us and Maddie over at Victory Life Hacks for getting toned at home, y'all. So make sure you check that out. Yo, we're going to get into this video, and then we're going to give Lord Rudy a call and see what day 16 got for us. Walk and talk. Day 16, 21 days of habit. You know what? We're on 21 days to start changing these habits, changing our bad habits to good habits, and making our good habits better habits. So, yo, that's what we are. Make sure you go get the book. Support the young homie. Yup, 21 days of habit. 21 days of habit. Yo. So go get it right now, y'all. We're going to get into this next video, and then we'll be back and call Rudy up in a minute and see what day 16, walk and talk. Let's see what kind of great jewels he gonna drop on us today, y'all. So after this video, we can give him a call. So stay tuned. The world is watching. Good morning, early birds.
Just listen.
Yeah. CEO status. Money. Chasing the train.
They say I've changed, they say I'm not the same. They looking at what I become, they noticing what I became. They telling me life is a book, well I'm rolling up with every page. And they tell me I pay for my wrongs. What does anybody have changed? I'm fucking the game. He also told me money talks and I ain't heard shit from you. If Lil' mama swallowed me, doesn't mean she swallowed the truth. The top is my destination, I can feel it. I'm near, they say the good die young, why the hell am I still here? The fame is addictive, the women are expensive. Apologies to my fans, it's rare that I get explicit. But this is how I'm feeling, they telling me that I'm gifted. But I was only 9 when I stopped believing in Christmas. Sorrow Santa, how come you never answer? All I wanted for Christmas was a cure for cancer for my grandma. I stopped writing them letters and start writing my verses. I turn good into great and I turn great into perfect. think it was worth it. My team, they didn't believe. I know a lot of haters don't wanna see it succeed, but I'm just chasing a dream. I'm just chasing a dream. They doubted my team, they didn't believe. I know a lot of haters don't wanna see it succeed, but I'm just chasing a dream. 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 It's not the same. Everything's changed. They ask me who I'm dating. I'm married to the game. Can't forget about my side chick, Mary Jane. I decapitate these beats you producers. Better file a claim. They say I'm deranged, I say I'm fine. They tell me that I'm lying. The truth's in front of your eyes. Why's everybody so blind? These crooked ass niggas, you better stay in line. I let go that life for crime to invest in my time. Now I'm better than I ever been. For less, I'm never settling. With my crazy model chick, I'm on my Kevin Federline. Kanye Cajun, blazing ain't it evident. Somewhere in the sky looking down at the pelicans. But I can see that they don't understand. We didn't have a helping hand. Beezy gave me a chance, so I decided to take it. Run with it in advance. Stay loyal to my team and keep it 100 grand. My team, they didn't believe. I know a lot of haters don't wanna see it succeed, but I'm just chasing a dream. Yeah, I'm just chasing a dream. I'm just chasing a dream. They doubted my team. They didn't believe. I know a lot of haters don't wanna see it succeed, but I'm just chasing a dream. I'm just chasing a dream. I'm just chasing a dream. I'm just chasing a dream.
They doubted my team, they didn't believe. I know a lot of haters don't wanna see it succeed, but I'm chasing a dream. I'm chasing a dream. They doubted my team, they didn't believe.
Hey, this what it do. Hey, with your boy Q, you know how we do, man. Real Milwaukee shit, right? Niggas up and coming, you know what I'm saying? We gonna teach you.
That was Q with Chasing the Dream. That was Q with Chasing the Dream. One of the great videos. Make sure y'all check him out. IamQTV.com. Yo, IamQTV on YouTube as well. So make sure you check him out. He got more great music, y'all. Yo, 21 Days of Habit. It's time to call up Rudy, y'all. It's time to call him up. Let's see what he got for us for day 16. Walk and talk. Yo, let's call him up and let's see what he up to.
I grew up in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, in the zip code of 53206, which has the highest incarceration rate for African American males. I'm Lord Rudy Gowdy, and I am the writer of 21 Days of Habit. Some doctors, philosophers, psychologists, psychiatrists, they say it takes 21 days to create a habit. Well, I looked at that, and for me, what it did was it had me focus on, 1, the good habits that I had, 2, the bad habits. So in this book, you'll get some testimonials of where I found out some habits came from, good and bad, family traditions, issues that I had mentally, physically, emotionally. And it just had me look at those bad habits, those good habits, and it helped me create a goal system where I feel that I'm in the process of actually building those good habits and making them better habits. The first thing I was struggling with was waking up, having devotion, waking up having a 10 to 15 minute workout, and eating a healthy breakfast, or adding fruits and vegetables and water to my diet. So those were 3 components that helped me actually mold this book. In the book, you will have instructions. Each day comes with a scripture, an inspirational quote, and a small devotion. And on top of that, you'll have either water, fruits and vegetables to add to your diet, just a small substance. And it's really just to add to what you're already eating or the plan or diet that you already have. Most students learn by experience, and they learn from people who are experienced. So that's what I did. I studied some doctors, I studied some nutritionists, and I studied some dietitians. And I spoke with those people, and they gave me some good tools to help me add to my diet. It's simple, it's concise, and I promise you, it'll make for a better life for you. And it'll really start the process on you focusing on building those better habits. Whatever you think you're gonna be at the end, I promise you, you're not gonna be that, but you will start the process of getting to that level to be better, to be a better you.
Ooh-wee.
What's happening, Rudy?
There you go. There go the man, the myth, the legend. There go Mr. Expect Success. There go Mr. The World is Watching. Divine D, what's happening, man? I turned the tables on you this morning.
How you gonna reverse engineer my intro, man?
Dude, man, look, I've been practicing. I said I'm gonna get him back one day.
What's up, world? Yes, it is the author of this book right here. The man, the author, the entrepreneur.
There you go.
Who used to have basketball skills.
Oh,
Lord, Rudy got it.
Look, man, we got enough tension in this world to be not to be using racial slurs towards me, brother. Used to play basketball. That is racism right there, man.
Used to be good at basketball.
Man.
What's going on, Rudy?
Man, I'm out here in these Texas streets, man, headed to the airport, going to close a chapter in my life that I never thought I would close, but here it is today, man. I'm excited, nervous, scared at the same time.
Wow, man.
But I'm gonna push through it.
What you nervous, scared, and what you nervous and scared about, man? Kind of, can I give people, man, some insight on what's going on with you?
Man, absolutely, man. I'm going to meet my biological father for the first time.
Wow. How old are you?
First time. I'm 37, man.
And this will be the first time you meet your father?
Yep. First time I meet the man, everybody say I look like, act like, walk like, and talk like.
Wow. Did you always know where he was and he knew where you was? Or why is this the first meeting? Or how is this the first meeting?
Well, in the words of him, every time I talk to him on the phone, probably like 20 times out of my life, but every time, I couldn't get a hold of him, he always say, man, I'm in the mountains, man. I'm in the mountains, man. The mountains, man, they get a hold of my cell phone line and I can't even catch up to it. That's what he say every time.
Oh, damn. That's 37 years of that?
So, yeah. And I was in the mountains, man. He'll promise something, he'll say he's coming to Milwaukee to see me. Even as, I think like the last time he told me that and I told him to stop lying to me was before I left, so I was about 23, 24. And he called like, man, I'm coming, man. I'm coming to see you, man. I'm like, all right, I believe it when I see you.
Wait, he talk like Terrence Howard and Hustle and Flow or something, man? Yeah, man.
Hey, man, that's how he talk.
Yeah, man.
he one of them old school Macs, dog. For real.
Man.
That's why I got so many brothers and sisters.
How many brothers and sisters you got?
Man, the myth right now is 26 plus.
26?
So, yeah, I'm somewhere in the middle. But,
you like number 14, nigga?
I don't know. Man, I got a brother with the same age. I was born September 10th. He was born October 11th.
What?
We got the same name, nigga. Rudy got it. We got the same name. It's three of us got the same name.
Yo, you was born a month apart?
Yeah.
Wow. So what do you want to accomplish out of this after this meeting? I know this has got to be, like, say, nerve-wracking for you. I know it got to be like, you know what? This is a chapter that, you always been looking to, figure out. What do you hope to accomplish out of, going to meet your pops for the first time?
Honestly, I just want to see the man, the myth, the legend. It's nothing that he can do for me that I ain't already done for myself. Like, probably one of the best things he did do for me could be stay away, because it was probably some traits that I would have picked up even more on, and it probably would have led me down a different path than I'm on today. So,
right, instead of 26 kids, you'd have 13, huh?
Man, I might have had 40 of them. I think about that a lot. Now, if I went to the NBA, it'd have been a wrap. That's why God didn't let me go. I'd have probably had 4, 5 fines a year for filing, niggas. Too hard and talking crazy. And I'd have had 27 baby months, dog.
Dang. Right.
Being real.
All right, Mr. Plot, Plan, and Strategize, man. Yo, it's day 16, man. Man, tell the people what you got for them today, man. What you got for them today?
Man, so today we're going to piggyback on yesterday, man. Curbing the appetite. Curbing the appetite. It's very important to pay attention to those times and moments throughout the day where you feel uneasy, you feel uncomfortable, or you feel like it's something or someone trying to say something to you. number one, we want to hone in on that. Number two, most of all, man, during that time, last week we ended, talking about taking time out to meditate and taking time out extra early in the morning to talk to God and spend time with Him. Well, that's the same thing I need you to do this week, but I need you to do it on another level. I need you to find those times where you're uneasy and stuff and transition it. Whenever you feel like that, go meditate. Go talk to God. Go take a walk. And I promise you it will help you curb your appetite, not only to find out what your passion or purpose is, but also to help you reach those small, intricate goals that you're trying to reach. A lot of times, when those moments come, we don't know what to do. But it's my belief that that's a moment where you need to sit back, reflect, talk to God, and meditate to find out what that next step is and why you're feeling that way, man. I believe it's very important. And it's the reason that helped me write this book. Not to go on a tantrum, but once I finished the book, I called Divine. I'm like, yo, man, I need some artwork for my book. I called my other buddy, like, man, why don't you proofread it? Can I get you to publish it for me? I even called some publishing companies. I was putting the work off on everybody else, and every time I did it, I felt uneasy. And then Divine slapped me in the face and came out with the DNA joint. The little 20. What was that, D? What was it? Yeah. When you came out with that joint, I'm like, yo, he just hit me in the head. Like, he been telling me that I could self-publish this book myself. Yeah, I want to spend the money and get it done, but the experience of me going through every intricate piece of creating a book, the experience of me finally saying, you know what, I'm going to pay attention to these little tweaks throughout the day, and I'm going to start meditating or going to take a walk and talking to God to find out what's the next step. Why am I feeling like this? All those small parts finally helped me realize that everybody was like, dog, shut up and do it yourself. Stop making excuses and trying to find people to do the work for you when it's already in you to do it yourself. And the dope part of doing it yourself is now, not only do you have a book that you can put in people's hands, but you know the entire process of how to self-publish a book. I never thought I would know that. I never thought I would go through a process like that, but it took those uncomfortable moments and me actually not trying to find something to satisfy the appetite, but curving it to find out what will make my life better, what will make somebody else's life better. And at the end of the day, it's always the same thing. We're not doing it for ourselves because I didn't write this book for myself. The dopest part for me is that my kids have something from me that they can put in people's hands with my name on it. It's a document with my name on it. It's showing that I'm here. It's showing that I lived on this earth. And that's what you're trying to find out when those little tweaks happen throughout the day and those uncomfortable feelings. And right now, we just satisfying the appetite. Now we need you to curb the appetite and go take a walk. Go relax. Go find a space, 10 to 15 minutes, and just meditate or talk to God to find out why you're uneasy. Because once you figure out those, I promise, it's going to take you to the next level in your life. That's my piece for today, Phil. I'm riding, man. Don't do me like that. It's 16.
All right. So I'm
You got the
I'm going to give y'all the devotional today. So check this out. So the task for today, he already gave you your task, but your quote for today is from Matthew 13:33, right? Seek ye first the kingdom of God and all his righteousness, and all these things will be given to you as well. Yo, day 16, this is what he asking you to do. This is the task. 1 gallon of water, as he always do. 3 helpings of fruit added to your diet, and 3 helpings of vegetables. 3 helpings of nuts and grains, and 2 helpings of chicken or fish. So that's day 16. Make sure y'all go get the book.
Yeah.
Get your devotional, get your quote, and get your task for the day. Today is
Hey, D, I give you another secret in the book, bro.
What's up?
Remember when you was little and they taught you the 5 major food groups?
Yep.
6 of them and something like that.
Yeah,
but anyway, it was a pyramid.
Right.
Guess what you just read?
A pyramid?
Yeah.
Oh. Hey man.
The dietitian that I talked to told me. Oh my goodness, I'm going the wrong way. The dietitian that I talked to, man, told me that literally we got away from what was helping us as far as us meeting our health goals and stuff. We got away from it. When we was little, it was as simple as eat one major thing from every food group. We don't do that no more. The older we got, we started just eating whatever.
Right.
But it's my belief. I believe that if you do it that way, man, you'll be successful.
Right.
One thing from every major food group.
Right. Right.
So that's where I got that from.
That's what's up. Tasha Thomas says, I can't wait to get my book and shirt. Rudy, I'm praying for
Don't get 'em,
I'm praying for your peace and mind, and that you get what you're looking for in your meeting with your dad. It's going to be well.
Yeah, appreciate it.
Thank you, Tasha, for those kind, wise words from my boy Rudy. Man, 37 years and meeting your father for the first time. You know, like I say, sometimes we take things for granted, and you know, some of you have maybe grown up with your father or being able to at least meet him before the age of 37. And you know what? Sometimes we take some things for granted. But no matter what life has taken you through, remember, it has taught you to be the strong and positive and magnificent person that you are. And like Rudy says, you know what? Probably some of the best things that he could take away from this whole situation is that, you know what? I'm glad you weren't around, because I had to go develop me for me and figure me out. And you know what? I didn't have to use the crutch of, you know, my father or whatever, or just use the excuse that I couldn't do it because I didn't have. You know what I'm saying? Like, we take things for granted all the time, and I don't think that you guys understand the magnitude of certain things sometimes. I mean, it's really important to know where you come from and who you are. I mean, a lot of times we even as African Americans, sometimes we can't move forward because we don't know our real history. You know what I mean? So we know that it's like long lost and so confusing and lost in translation that, you know what, we have to start right now developing our culture, developing our religion, developing our beliefs and everything else. So, you know, at least you want to know where you come from directly, biologically. You know what I mean? Like, at least that if I can't find my African history, at least I want to know who my mom and my dad is and where I come from in that respect. You know what I mean? So some people haven't had the opportunity to have that, like my boy Rudy. He didn't get the opportunity to know the other half of who he was, you know, and now he's 37 and he'll be just now, you know, getting the information that he's been seeking for his whole life. So, you know what? Like I said, we could take things for granted and we can say this and say that, but, and, you know, we got to sometimes put some things in perspective and understand that no matter what life has handed you, he still was able to write a book and do all these successful things and own a business and, you know, and travel the world and live in Houston, you know what I mean, and live in great communities and be a part of great circles and be able to explore his ideas and raise his children. And, yo, he still was able to do a lot of great things. So listen, whatever you've been through, we can't use them as excuses to say why we ain't doing nothing, why we ain't, I can't do it because I don't know what my. Listen, you can use those as excuses or you can use those as fuel. And that's why I say every time, stop standing in your story and stop standing on your story. Yo, use it as power, because you can use your story to uplift others or to, you know what, understand that why that, you know what, you should succeed or why you should be determined into the path of your journey, into your greatness. Yo, use it as fuel to help push you, y'all. So that's what's up, man. My dad was 60 when I was born, and he was absent from my life while living in the same city. He died at 83 and I was 23. I wish I knew him. Tasha Thomas, that's what's up. Well, Lord Rudy, it's going to be great visit. It's going to be a great visit. You go in with no expectation, just simply meet the man who is half responsible for planting the seed for such an amazing man. My prayers to you in this journey, but you definitely got this. And Shante, he's going to Arizona, so you know that land very, very well. So he'll be in Arizona for a little while.
Appreciate that.
If you got any resources for him, hit him in the inbox and just kind of, you know, give him any resources that you got. Well, he's in
Yep.
Arizona, so that's what's up. Yo, community of positive change. Thank you. Thank you for that. Thank you for your comments.
Thank you.
Grand Rising gods and goddesses. Grand Rising to you, Wells, cuz. And Rudy, I know you're on your way to the airport, man. Thank you for still being able to, log on.
Yeah.
And give us day 16, man. I appreciate it. We praying for you, praying for safe travels, and we pray that you have a great meeting.
Appreciate it.
I hope it turns out to be very invigorating for you, and you know what, it can be transformational, because like I say, you know what, you can move on after this. So that's what's up, boss. I appreciate it. I got you anything you need from me, and you know what, man, you go out here, you be safe. And we'll still see you tomorrow, right? For day 17.
I'm gonna be the project.
Yeah, we
You hear me?
We know you at the airport. There you go. You hear me?
Yeah. Yep.
Okay, day 17 is tomorrow, man. What we
So
got?
I'm probably gonna be jumping on it up. You gonna have to look.
Okay, day 17, y'all. Let me look. Is the follow through, y'all? It's gonna be follow through. So we're gonna talk about follow through.
Oh.
Say, that's a good one. That's a good one, man.
Oh.
Yo, Rudy, you'll be coming to us, but that probably gonna be well, you're already in good weather, so it's gonna be probably hotter weather when you come to us tomorrow morning, man.
Yeah, I'm gonna find a nice spot outside where the sun coming up so you can see me.
The world is watching. Hey, it's gonna be 4 in the morning where you at, though. It ain't gonna be 6 in the morning.
I didn't think about that. Never mind. Dang. That's what I get for talking crazy, huh?
Don't worry, y'all. He gonna get up at 4 in the morning to make sure he's here on the show, because he gotta get up at 4 in order to be on the early bird show, because he'll be 2 hours back on the East Coast, West Coast, on the West Coast.
What?
All right, Rudy. Thank you again, man. You go ahead and catch that flight, man, and let us know when you make it, boss.
Well, for sure.
All right. That's Lord Rudy, day 16, walk and talk. Understand, like I say, man, sometimes we take certain things for granted. He is going to meet his father for the first time at the age of 37. So, you know what? I know a lot of people can probably can relate to him. You finna be on fire in AZ, she says. Yeah, you finna be on fire. It's hot. It's probably hot as heck in AZ. He be all right. He from Houston, so he can withstand it. Yo, I see we got Miss, the legend, the beautiful, the queen, Miss Maddie Wash is in the building strong. Hey, how you doing with a beautiful smile on there? I see it. How you doing, Miss Maddie? Good morning to you as well. Yo, remember y'all, Maddie Wash is in the building. She is our Toned at Home expert. Yeah, she gets us together each and every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, y'all. So make sure that y'all go check her out. Go check her out. Yo, Toned at Home with Maddie Wash, y'all. She is online. She watching. She here with us. But she be on with us tomorrow, y'all. So Wednesday, make sure you check her out. Yo, she gets us together in 10 minutes. And everybody got 10 minutes. So make sure that you log on, get your space together, 5-pound weights. And we're going to get you toned at home with whatever you got. You got a chair, you got a couch. You ain't got no couch, you got a cooler. Whatever you got, a crate. Whatever you got, it don't matter. We're going to get toned at home. Because remember, wherever you are today don't mean that's where you're going to be in the future. And we're going to start making these elevations, y'all. We're going to start taking these, we're going to take the stairs. We're going to get there, y'all. So understand this. Take your road, take your journey in the direction that, what you want to grow in. So thank you. Morning, Maddie Boo. That's what Shantae says. Make sure that you guys get ready for Miss Maddie tomorrow. We also will have Rudy coming back. He'll be in Arizona for day 17. Follow through, y'all, and follow through is super important. So I can't wait to hear what messages Jules is going to drop on us tomorrow, y'all. You guys go out here and be great. Remember, each and every day is a day to make sure that we are making it one step closer to the goals and dreams that we have in life. So let's make sure that we make it today count. And that's why, let's stop taking these days for granted and let's make these days count. So thank you guys again for logging on. I appreciate you guys. And the world is watching. Good morning, my early birds. And I'll see you guys tomorrow for another early bird show right here with me, your boy Divine D. The world is watching. Good morning, y'all. See y'all later. Peace.